ka eh. Oh, tingnan mo.
Nakaharap sa'yo.
Ikaw talaga, sir. Why?
Palubat na.
Okay, this is it.
Wow. Wow, ang ganda.
We'll go there. This is it. Doon pinpuan the crystals. Kaya may ilaw na ito siya. But this is not the end of our journey. This is the first and second appetizer. If you want to go to the most weathered, extra challenge. I will challenge you all. Kung kaya ba? Kung hindi kaya, hindi natin pipilitin ang sarili natin, ha? For this is the most important. Take video. This is your first time?
Yes.
In the other cave, no crystals? But here, a lot. Okay, human.
Mabas mo dyan.
So, you just try to see.
Thank you so much.